Hey guys, Sal here, NYC Fireplace and Outdoor Kitchens. I want to show you one of my favorite setups that we have right now. It's a Challenger kitchen with the XO appliances. It's been very popular lately because of all the storage that you get. So I'm going to walk you through it right now and show you what we got going on. So right here we got the XO cocktail station, which is also lighted. We have the bottle opener here, towel bar, and the rack for the drinks. We have the insulated ice bin here. You can see the gasket all around. This also comes out. So you have plenty of room for your sink. You can wash big pots and pans. Running water. Hot and cold faucet. You got your double trash bin here. So we have a big party. No problem. Storage. You got your XO 24-inch fridge with glass shelves that slide out for convenience. Also, lights change colors. So depends what mood you're in. Blue, mix orange, mix blue. We got clear white. Let's go mix, baby. There we go. Then we got power burner number 1. This can be removed if you want to do wok cooking. This comes off. I'll show you how it turns on. So we turn the knob in, heat the gas flow, and then we give it a nice spark. Boom. That's one burner. Now we got the second burner in the middle to turn on. Give it a spark. Boom. Look at that flame. So plenty of flame. You want to warm up a big thing, make pasta for the kids, a lobster boil. You could do a nice sauteing here, nice wok cooking, rice. This is a beautiful piece. A lot of people like this piece a lot. Then we got the 42-inch grill here. Also got the lights in the bottom, lights inside. We got the sear burner. I turned it on so you can see a nice hot sear burner that gets to 1,000 degrees. You want to cook a steak on here. You put it for three minutes each side, depends how you like it. Medium rare. And then you can move it to the regular burners to finish off cooking on the inside. This will just seal the outside so you keep all the juices in. Then we got a nice big rack on top. That's also for extended cooking. You want to do corn on the cob, you could do buns on here. You know, stuff that doesn't really need a lot of intense heat. You can even put hot dogs up there. I cook a lot of hot dogs up there. It gets plenty of heat up there. And you got the other burners here. So these are all 25,000 BTU burners. And we have the briquette trays, so it gives you even heating. You got the nice flat grates nowadays. They changed this recently, so you get more contact with the food. Spring assisted hood, so it's easier, lighter weight. Nice dial there. And here's the second power burner. Same thing, push in, hear the gas flow. Let it flow in there, and then you give it a nice snap. So this is a reliable ignition. There's no electronics here. These igniters never fail. Super reliable, 60,000 BTU burner. And then we have more drawers here for storage. So you can put napkins, paper goods in here if you want. We are covered, so I'm not really worried about too much with the rain leaking in here. But if you weren't covered, you could put plastic bins. More storage down here. You know, typically when you're doing a masonry kitchen, this storage would not be as useful because you would open these doors and you would see the floor underneath, which is not nice. You have bugs and critters and spider webs, so this is all closed. You know, there's back there for venting, but majority of it's all closed, so you can keep stuff in there. There you go. That's your outlet, your gas line. So if you guys need anything like this, just give us a call. Click the link below, and we can get you a price. Thank you.